Donald Trump says he might pardon Sean Diddy Combs, but only on one condition. At a press conference, Trump was asked if he'd pardon Diddy, who's now facing racketeering and sex trafficking charges that could carry a life sentence. Trump called Diddy an old friend, saying they once ran in the same circles, but admitted their relationship soured when he entered politics. Still, Trump says if Diddy was being mistreated, he'd look at the facts, politics aside. For now, the idea of a pardon is hypothetical, but Trump's history of pardoning celebrities and close associates has people talking. Would you support a pardon for Diddy? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more breaking news.
They're wasting a lot of money if they're going to continue with that nonsense.
And this, back when you hosted The Apprentice, you mentioned once in 2012 that Diddy was a good friend of yours back then. He has since found himself in some very serious legal trouble.
Yeah, that's true.
Would you ever consider pardoning him?
Well, nobody's asked. You had to be the one to ask, Peter, but nobody's asked. But I know people are thinking about it. I know they're thinking about it. I think some people have been very close to asking. First of all, I'd look at what's happening, and I haven't been watching it too closely, although it's certainly getting a lot of coverage. I haven't seen him. I haven't spoken to him in years. He used to really like me a lot, but I think when I ran for politics, that relationship busted up. From what I read, I don't know. He didn't tell me that, but I'd read some little bit nasty statements in the paper all of a sudden. You know, it's different. You become a much different person when you run for politics and you do what's right. I could do other things, and I'm sure he'd like me, and I'm sure other people would like me, but it wouldn't be as good for our country. As we said, our country's doing really well because of what we're doing. So I would certainly look at the facts. If I think somebody was mistreated, whether they like me or don't like me, it wouldn't have any impact on me.
Mr. President.